Good morning. It's Wednesday morning. Getting started here. Taking a look at some hot stocks. And kind of getting the game plan going here for the market open. A couple stocks moved around this morning. ANY making a move, doing like this crazy move from 235 up there to 330. So crazy move there on ANY. What is going on with this stock? Looking wild right now. We're gonna see if it has the power to keep moving. Let's see if it has the power to keep moving here. Oh, there's a big pullback. Look at that nasty pullback. So kind of had like a nice little wedge going, and then just no, it's doing something. It's bouncing, moving around. Somebody's buying it. Oh, well, buyer stepping up, pushing it back up there to the 280 area, 290. We'll see if this ANY can do something here. Let me share this out to the world real quick. I gotta share my link so people can actually come and watch it. No one's even coming to watch it right now. A very long time. Ooh. There we go. All right. Now I share that out to the world. Sorry about that little lull there. The lull. So ANY, what is going on with ANY? What is going on there? Hey, how's Digibyte? Digibyte is it's down right now. I think really the whole market's pulling back again. Looks like we might be heading lower in general on the market right now. Cryptocurrency market. Not looking too good right now overall with the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin just getting stuck there at the 11,800 area. It was so close to breaking through that 12,000 area. So close, but yet so far. So back to the stock market here. Taking a look at what's hot, what's not. There we go. Brad the Baker's going to Maui. I like it. He watched my video last night. Now he's excited about going to Hawaii. I'm just saying. I think Hawaii should send me some free plane tickets because I've been promoting Hawaii so hard, you know, on YouTube. Oh. Something about that good coffee. I just like me some coffee in the morning sometimes, you know, just get the day started, get the blood flowing, and get going here. All right, let's look what's hot. All right, so ANY, it's moving around, still low volume, but really made a massive move there. These types of stocks can really surprise you sometimes when they just start to go crazy. We got this stock here, TTPH, moving around a little bit. Not looking so hot. Don't really. Oh, there's a little bit of a kind of a gap down this chart recently. There's a big gap in the chart, but not sure this thing has the power to really fill that gap right now. Keep an eye on it. TTPH. Yesterday, MDXG it was MDGX or MDXG. Some of my, well, not one of you guys, one of the guys in the live stream saw that we were talking about MDXG and made like $1,000 profit. Wow, made more money than I did. I gotta step up my game here. That was pretty awesome. So TTTH down 29% right now. There are shares to short. I wonder what the story here with TTTH is, or TTS. Let's find out what's going on with TTS. TTS. Earnings call. All right, so they had bad earnings. TTS had bad earnings. So that's what it looks like. Got bad news with earnings. So this could be a nice little short. We'll see if this can break above this area here. You can see pre-market, it's already been down there to the 550. So maybe looking for an opportunity to go short here if we can get a little bit of a spike at open, some kind of bounce back, and then look for a fade. Hitesh, sometimes you just, that $10 area, if it would have broke, it would have been something to do. Come to the dark side and make a Discord. Oh, why would I want to do that for? You know what I'm really tired of? I'm really tired of these people selling DVD courses, trading courses, all this stuff. Do not spend $1. Don't spend $1, please, on any type of trading course. Don't do it. Don't do it. I promise you, it's not worth it. You can just watch all my videos if you really want to learn how to trade. You can watch other people's. There's a bunch of free videos out there. But don't go and spend money on day trading courses. Really, don't do it. Especially do not go buy any type of courses from Ricky Gutierrez. Plan, what is this? What is the thing called? Plan, profit, trade or something now? Oh, it's terrible. Now he's had a discount yesterday at $40. I mean, if you got to pay $40 for something, I guarantee it is crap. There is nothing in this world that's good that's worth $40. Nothing. I don't even pay. I pay more than $40 for a pair of my shoes. I pay more than $40 for a pair of shoes. So what does that say about a trading course? If you're going to pay $40 for a trading course and I pay more for a pair of shoes, what does that say about your trading course? Made 20% net from Ricky's course. Wow. Hopefully you bought it low and sold it high. Buy low, sell high. Buy Ricky's course low and sell it high, baby. D-gas. Anybody can trade. Anybody can call out reversal on an ETF and say, hey, buy here, and it goes up. I mean, anybody can. I'm going to do it today. Which ETF should we call out today? What do we think? We're going to think gold's going up today, maybe? Maybe natural gas is going up today. Let's find out. All right. TTS. Keeping an eye on this one. 622 area. Let's see if this can get stuck there again, or maybe it pulls back. Maybe it goes higher. But just keep an eye there. You got the VWAP at 589. There's some buying pressure there. And there's some buying pressure going on there at the 595 area. Please, $1 stock. What does that mean? I mean, find me a $1 stock. ANY up there to $3 right now. ANY had a nice little bounce there, actually. Look at this bounce. Look at this bounce from that 250. Really getting bought up quickly there. Getting pushed back up there. Getting back above the VWAP. Getting back above all that action there. We'll see if ANY, that $3 area, is going to be a key area on this baby. Get above that $3 area. You can see earlier it ran up there to 330. So it could be something going on there. LTBR. Do I really want to look at this? There's the James Hansen. James Hansen made $1,000 today after watching the live stream. I should charge him a commission on that deal. LTBR. LTBR. Why? Why do people do this to me? It's like I get punked. Hey, check out this stock, and I look at it. There's no volume. Nothing I can do. There's no volume. There's just nothing to do. I mean, what do you want me to say there? Here's the volume. There's no volume. LTBR going lower. That's what I'm calling it as. APRI. APRI gapping down there. There's that dollar stock. Somebody asking for a dollar stock. There it is. APRI gapping down from 330 down there to under $1. APRI, there it is. He wanted $1. Somebody asked for $1 stock, and we found it. We found the dollar stock. So TTS right there. I see you. I don't really know what you mean. You want me to find you $1 stock? Find a $1 stock. You gave me $2 to find a $1 stock. I'm not sure how that works. I'm confused. All right, what else is moving? Let's keep looking here. Let's keep looking. Let's find a hot one today. Let's find something that we can really get excited about here. I want something to get excited about. I know you guys do as well, so let's find it. I don't know why, but H on my keyboard never works. It's like my keyboard does not want to ever work with H. All right, so LHO, gapping down. I mean, gapping way down there. Down below that support area. The next support really is at that $23 area. You can see previously LHO had that resistance support in this area here at the $27 area. And now it's right in the middle of those two. So LHO down 10%. There are shares to short. I'm not sure why it's gapping down. Let's take a look. Let's find out. LHO. Hotel properties. So had a couple downgrades, looks like. So LHO had some downgrades today. Yesterday had earnings, and then today had some downgrades. So that's what's going on with LHO. You can see this morning gapping down there to the $24 area from the $28 area. So down there to 24 at 25, 40 right now. Interesting. I'm going to keep an eye there on LHO. Maybe might be a fun little short here at some point today. The big thing really I've been focusing on with these shorts is really finding, man, people are just paying me today, I guess. $5. $5. All right. Lone Master. Sorry for a question on topic. Do you think crypto crashed again since it hit resistance? Yes. Do I think crypto is crashing? It's clearly crashing right now. Do I think it's going to go all the way back down to the lows that it made before? That's a hard question to answer. But looking at the daily chart, definitely looks like crypto wants to pull back here. You know, it depends on what crypto you're looking at. I'm definitely looking to buy Ethereum on the dip here. I would love to buy some Ethereum at the $500, $400 range. Maybe, yeah, $400, $500 range on Ethereum would be, I feel like, a pretty good investment at this point. So I'll be waiting and watching to see if we can get a nice 20, 30% pullback in the overall crypto market these next couple of days. And that's what I'll be searching for. Does that answer your question, Lone? I think it does, right? I think that was a pretty good question. I think that was a pretty good answer to your question. You have 1,000 shares, 10,000 shares of JAGX. All right, JAGX. It's hard for me to tell you what to do there. Sorry. Is anyone using SureTrader app? Is it possible to set? Honestly, I've never really used. I never really used SureTrader app for trading. I've done a couple things on it, but never enough to do anything crazy. So I can't really answer that. Sorry about that. So somebody asked about JAGX. I mean, they have 10,000 shares, they said. I don't really know what to tell you about that one. It's going down, something like that. What's my entry signal for Ethereum? I would say if it just gets down to that resistance, to that support area. The next support area is really down there at the 680 area. From 680, we might see that 440 area. It really depends on what happens with the market. Maybe we get a double bottom. Maybe maybe Bitcoin bounces one more time off that $6,000, $7,000 area. It's a pretty big drop for Bitcoin at this point. I don't know if it'll get that far down, but Ethereum looks like it might be able to touch down there to the $600 area one more time before going back up. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Ethereum recently had a major high up there at the 1440 area. So I mean, I think buying in there at $600 area, $400 area would be pretty good ROI if this thing does turn back and turn bullish again this year. So that's what I'm watching. Ethereum would be my next big play out of the cryptocurrency market. They also just announced they got $100 million to help fund app development and network developing and all that stuff. So that's pretty cool. Big news for Ethereum. Snapchat. Would I short Snapchat? Who's sorting it? I didn't sort it. Who's sorting it? Not me. Oh, let's look at MDXG. What's MDXG doing? MDXG, look at that thing. Down there to 850 now. I never had shares to short this yesterday, so I was kind of sad. That's why I had to go long on it. I know people were like, why'd you go long on it? But I didn't really have opportunity to go short either. So DCAR had shares to short as well yesterday. No longer has shares to short today. LHO down. Look at that. I already dropped $1. Dropped $1 from 25.40 down there to 24.25. Really low volume so far. 6,000 shares traded. So obviously, you know, not a lot of volume right now. But we'll see what happens at open. I would definitely keep an eye on this LHO. This might just be a easy short, or it might just be might pop. It might pop. But you can see it's down there. Looking at the resistance area, it's right in the middle of just kind of no man's land. Got that $23 support, $26.85 area resistance. So we'll be watching that one. ANY, right there at that $3 area still. Looking here at the daily chart, zooming in, zoom, baby. That $3 area is pretty strong resistance. You can see $3 area multiple times getting stuck there. Ding, ding, ding. Back in November, and then back in January, getting stuck there twice at that $3 area. So no shares to short ANY. If I did have shares to short, I would love to short that $3 area if it doesn't break over $3. If it breaks over $3, this thing might get going here. You can see the last time it broke over $3, it went for up to $3.95. So $4 area being that next kind of resistance. You got this little thing here, this $3.34 area. So $3.34, $4 area resistance there on ANY. Let's look at TTPH. TTPH down there this morning, middle of nowhere, moving around. Kind of a gap up there from the 204 area up there. Well, after hours yesterday, gapping up there, and then this morning bouncing around 220 area. Doesn't look too hot right now. You can see it's not really moving around. It's kind of like, I don't know. It's kind of just moving sideways right now. Moving sideways here. TTPH. Keep an eye on this one. Maybe see what happens at open. If it gets stuck there at the 230 area again, I might look to go short on TTPH. There are shares to short, so that's what I'm watching. What else we got? TTT8, TTS still not moving here, getting stuck at the 585 area, $6 area right now. So, oh no, a penny stock course. I don't really trade penny stocks. Mine. I'll give you some free advice on penny stocks. Only trade penny stocks that are moving. Don't buy them before they move. Don't buy them after they move. Just buy them when they're moving. Easy as that. Easy as that. RIOT yesterday had a little bit of a pop. It popped from the 950 area up there to 1250. So interesting to see, you know, even though it's definitely RIOT gap, kind of just selling off the other day from $18 area down there to 11, and then yesterday morning kind of moving down more, and then from there that $10 area found some support and then ripped up there to 1250. So I'm going to keep an eye there on RIOT. Possibly it might find some support again at this $10 area. If you want to learn how I put arrows on the chart, go and search my videos. Just type in triangles and you'll find the video. It's really easy. Find triangles on YouTube. Type in SureTrader triangles. It'll pop up. Explain exactly how to do it. BSPM. BSPM this morning. 15,000 shares traded up there to 370. You got that previous resistance there at the 375 here from yesterday. 375 resistance. Ding, ding, ding. Right there. We'll see what happens there at BSPM later on. 15,000 shares traded. So ANY just getting stuck there at the $3 area twice now. Like I was talking about, that $3 area is going to be key resistance. There's no shares to short. I wish there was. I have a feeling that ANY is just going to get stuck there at that $3 area. If it can't break over $3, it's definitely going to get stuck there. Well, that would make sense because it would obviously just get stuck there. But no shares to short on ANY, so that won't do anything for us. So let's just, if we're going to play ANY, I got to look for that bounce over $3. $3 bounce on ANY for a possible move. Want to see that break over that $3 area. You can see this morning already it got up there to 328 and then pulled back. It's been kind of bounced around. Got 389,000 shares traded. Oh, man. That TTH now below the VWAP there. Let's see if this $6 area is going to turn into resistance once the market opens. You got TTS gapping down big from the 840 area, pulling down there to the $6 area, and that's kind of what we're watching right now. Also got this TTPH. So a couple of stocks moving around this morning, and yeah, a couple stocks moving around. Again, nothing looking insanely good right now. I'm not in love with anything that I see. A couple of stocks that, oh, SLCA gapping down this morning, $28 area right now. Okay, somebody calling that one out. Nice little call out. Thank you to Rory. I'm going to keep an eye there on SLCA. Down there to the $28 area right now, looking at the resistance support areas. Got some serious looking support in this area here at the 28.23, 27.82 area. So I might look for an opportunity if this can break below that $27 area. You can see previously back there, October, November, this bounced off this 27.82 area. And then from there, might look for 2680 area. Really depends on how big the sell-off is. It's down 8% right now. So there it is. One more to look at. LC. Let's look at it. Lending Club Corporation. Lending Club down 11% as well today. A couple stock, a lot of gappers down this morning. I got to get focused here and take a look at this. LC also down there to that previous support there from yesterday after hours. Looking at the daily chart, where that next support is. Looks like there's some serious support in kind of this area, that 330, 350 area. So I'm not sure that LC has much more to go there. Maybe if it can break below all that support, but there looks like some serious support there. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. I got to get ready for the market open, get my mind straight, get a little yoga action in. Got to just meditate for a second, think about what I'm going to do today, think about the trades, and then execute the plan. So I'll talk to you guys later on. Yes, keep an eye on ANY. A couple other stocks to keep an eye on today, but definitely keep an eye on everything. I'll talk to you guys later on.